This tiny clove seed holds one of the most aromatic trees on earth, and it belongs in your backyard. Only fresh, unprocessed seeds germinate. Soak them in pure coconut water overnight to wake them powerfully. Half an inch deep in warm, rich soil, pointed end down, flat end up. Warmth and moisture do the rest. Day 15, the coconut water worked. Something extraordinary is already cracking through the dark soil. Day 30, and these first leaves are already releasing the unmistakable scent of clove into the air. Month 6, a real clove tree is taking root in this backyard. The fragrance alone makes it worth every day. Month 10, and this second secret tip is doubling the root strength beneath this extraordinary backyard tree. Years from now, this backyard tree will carry the most valuable spice harvest in the world. Every day was worth it.